the game showreel very quickly. And friends, I would like to, they are the representatives of the group, a large group that was working behind this two-day event. I would like you guys to give a very big round of applause to Rishi, Imran, Uday, and all the guys who have put in a tremendous amount of effort in making this what it is today. And thank you guys. I would like you to give a round of applause for yourself for the beautiful and very meaningful suggestions that you have given. We are surely going to incorporate that. Thank you very much.
And don't forget to thank NASSCOM. Rajiv and Shruti and everyone at NASSCOM have been very, very kind. And they're the ones who made this happen. And without them, this wouldn't have been possible.
Thank you. Right, so we are now absolutely. May I request Uday to introduce the entire concept and the journey and what you are going to witness.
Most of you must be knowing me. I work for Intel. I'm a game evangelist at Intel. In last time's event, as Imran was saying, right, we got talking about how in every GDC abroad, there was a large indie gamers showcase, right? And how many times we saw some really cool ideas come from all over the world. And that got us thinking, and one thing that we felt was that, the right ideas, big ideas, might not necessarily come from large studios, fancy studios, right? And there is a lot of innovation idea that is available in India. So to get that going, we said, let's do something, let's start early. That was at the beginning of 2010. Let's look at whether we can build up a momentum of indie game developers and then have a finale. So we spoke to NASSCOM. They said if you're able to do that, then that becomes the gaming super pitch. So we took that and got the indie gamers, game developers contest going, which is launched at Fiki Frames early this year. Sorry, Rajiv, for mentioning Fiki here, but that's where the launch was.
No problem.
No problem. Okay.
Yeah,
and then what we did was we decided to go the social networking viral route. We created a Facebook page known as India Game Jam, which became kind of a meeting point for all these game enthusiasts. In about 5 to 6 months' time, that portal has now got 8,500 members, right? And that actually helped us rally people from all over India, game enthusiasts, and we started getting concepts. So what we did was, running this kind of a contest is a very complex, affair. We can't just sit down and we have our day jobs, right? So what we did was, Intel was running a game developer contest in the US, known as Level Up. They've been doing that for the last 3 or 4 years. We decided to leverage that infrastructure. So we took that, we kind of localized it, and the Level Up Gaming Contest format is what we used, and ran this contest. 240 entries were received, and the best part of this whole thing was all the industry actually rallied behind us by actually agreeing to mentor these contestants. So Quentin from Frida, Imran from FX Labs, Rajesh from Dhruva, Anand Ramachandran, who is a very well-known game blogger, and they all came together and we actually started getting these ideas, these concepts, these mentors, reviewed them. In fact, they got even their teams involved, right? And we finally got about 41 executables, which were then reviewed, and today we have about 10 guys presenting. The prizes are pretty amazing, thanks to the Dell guys. The winner is going to get a Alienware M15X. and the next three guys are going to get Dell Inspiron. So stay back and eat your heart out. Hopefully next time you're all going to join. All please do, right? One thing that I feel is this time we got a lot of developers who are not developers participating, which is great. The ideas are very good, but all you guys who have day jobs in various functions in game studios and animation houses, please also start, participating. Tell me if you have any way where we can approach your companies and do it officially, so that it's not like you're moonlighting or anything. So that's one thing. That's the other thing we're going to do, where we're going to approach through NASSCOM. We're going to approach the studios formally and get you guys to start contributing ideas. And hopefully the next time when we talk, we've got at least 1,000 ideas next year. And then you'll be able to see that big indie gamer showcase. It just doesn't happen overnight. It's a momentum, right? And so this is the first baby step. Really proud to have all those guys. They've traveled from all over India on their own accord. They're here. They're very excited. So guys, please cheer them on. Take a look at the idea and give them feedback after the session on what they could do. We have a very good judging panel today. We have Rishi, who's the studio head of India Games. We have Ramesh, who's if I don't get your title right, please back me. So he's the head of creative for Krida, right? And Imran, of course, has been with me throughout. And we have Rajat sitting right back there, who's the CEO of Mad Rat Games. And then we have Sumit, who's is the CEO of Jump Games. So they are going to be judging these ideas. Many of them have had, Ramesh and team have already reviewed, Imran and team have already reviewed, Rajesh had already reviewed and sent his rating. But some of the entries are probably going to be presenting for the first time. So you guys also go through it. We don't have any voting for audience. Maybe next time we can do something like that. But this time it's going to be the judges, and in 1 hour's time we should be having the winner of the M15X. All right? Thanks. Any questions? Yeah, so I think they're all ready there. We're just going to set up one more Alienware here and start the show. All right?
Final event for the evening. First of all, my name is Srinivas. I'm associated with the Level Up 2010 team, which is part of Intel Software Network's initiative for game developers in India. Now today we are teaming up with NASSCOM to bring you NASSCOM and Level Up 2010 Gaming Super Pitch. So basically what this whole program has been, over the last year we have had a lot of entries from game developers across the country. Oh, you did? Okay, great. So what these game developers are going to do is present their game, give you like a brief on the game and show you a demo. So first I ask a representative from Seven Seas Entertainment to present 3 games of their company, and hope you guys enjoy the game. Thanks.
So I'll just go through the description of our games. That one I will show the demos of our game. So basically, the 3 of our games have been nominated. Those are Extracts, Harley's Garden, and Blooming Box. So 3 are the Flash games. So first one is Extracts. So basically, Extracts is a bike racing game. It's a terrain bike race game developed in Flash, and the gameplay is to ride your bike through the end of the level and take the key and reach back to the start of the level to go to the next level. And this is the basic gameplay of this game. I will show the gameplay later. And the second game is Harley's Garden. It's a platform game. the main character is Ace Rabbit, Alvin. So the main gameplay of this game is to find the entrance in each level by collecting the all fruits in this level. So this is a good strategy game also, as in this game the rabbit cannot jump, cannot shoot the enemies. So he just try to escape from the enemies. Rather than shooting them, he just try to escape from the enemies. It is somewhat near to strategy game. It can climb the pillars in order to escape from the enemies. So once he collects all the fruits in this level, he will find the exit to the next level. And this one is Blooming Birds, which is a puzzle game. So it will designed to get your brain into tip-top shape, and it will train your thinking. So basically the main gameplay of this game is, in each level you will find some magical flowers. I'm telling them as magical because they can be converted into birds as well as flowers. Birds can come up game so that you can better understand. So first one is Alex Tracks. So we have to reach to the end of the level and find the key and get back to the start of the level. Here we find the key. We have to get back to the start of the level. So we have to start again. In such a way that we have 6 different exciting levels so that users can really enjoy the game. And the second one is Alvin's Garden.